Welcome again in the second evening of this match between WKCC versus KP Riders. The total target is 120 in 20 overs for KP Riders given by WCC. This is the first delivery of the second inning. This is Mohammad Tawfiq, and this is a single for the two batsmen. Here the two batsmen take 2 runs. So 2 runs comes on board for KP Riders. They need only 120 to win this match in 120 deliveries. Now 118 in 119 deliveries. This is great bowling by the bowlers of KP Riders. Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Farhan Ahmed Malik. This is great shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder Masroof. No run score, remains on 2 without any loss. This is first over of the second evening of this match between WKCC versus KP Riders. Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Farhan Ahmed Malik. This is 6 for Farhan, 6 for KP Riders, and this is first 6 for Farhan Ahmed Malik. He moves on 8. The score moves on 8. This is great hit by the batsman Farhan. This is a low total given by WC to KP Riders. 120 is the total target for KP Riders. This is first over of the second inning. The total runs for KP Riders on board is 8, and this is the first over. This is a great shot played by the batsman Farhan Ahmed Malik. He is on 8. Again Mohammad Tawfiq on his bowling mark to the batsman Farhan. Oh! This is great bowling by Mohammad Tawfiq. Clean bowled. This is great delivery, and this is end of Farhan Ahmed Malik. Very good delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. KP Riders, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Farhan Ahmed Malik, and Mohammad Tawfiq, he takes his first wicket in his first over. This is great delivery by the bowler Mohammad Tawfiq. Now the new batsman is Mudassir for KP Riders on strike. Mudassir is also the wicket keeper of the team KP Riders. Very well good keeping today at this ground in this match. Mohammad Tawfiq again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mudassir. He is on strike. Mohammad Tawfiq to the batsman Mudassir. Oh, here was the chance, but at the end, no man is land. This is a single for the two batsmen. Muhammad Azim, he opens the account with the single. Very good delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. Thank you, Joker, for joining us with this live broadcast. Out the wicket of Farhan Ahmed Malik, he lost his wicket, and the runs on board is 9 for the loss of 1. This is first over of this second evening of this match between WCC versus KP Riders. Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Uwais. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे बैट्समैन Uwais. So this is end of first over. The score on board is 9 for the loss of 1. Very good delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. This is a good delivery by Adil Bashir, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 10 for the loss of 1. So this is Muhammad Tausif, Adil Bashir on bowling mark. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. दिस इज Oh, this is a chance here. This is a chance of a catch. Can they? Oh, damn, they lost this catch. They lost this wicket. This is not catch. This is match also. यहाँ पे लेना था, ट्राई कर रही थी इस कैच को लेने के लिए, लेकिन अपनी जगह से हटे ही नहीं. यहाँ पे एक मौका बनता था कैच लेने का, विकेट लेने का एक मौका था यहाँ पे, लेकिन गवा बैठे. This is great delivery by Adil Bashir, but at the end, this was the catch, but missed by the fielder. No, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 11 for the loss of 1. This is Adil Bashir again to the batsman Mudassir. Oh, this is great delivery by Adil Bashir. Very good delivery. The two batsmen wants to take a single with this, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder. No run score remains on 11 for the loss of 1. This is the second over of this second inning. The total target is 120. Now they need only 109 in 111 deliveries. Adil Bashir again to the batsman Mudassir. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. Very good shot. At the end, this is 4 for Mudassir, 4 for KP Riders. Mudassir moves on 6. The score moves to 15 for the loss of 1. This is great shot played by the batsman Mudassir. Gina, bukan ada topik guys. Kira je belakang, kira guys. This is Adil Bashir again to the batsman Mudassir. This is a good delivery by Adil Bashir, but at the end, the two batsmen. Oh, here is a great throw by the wicket keeper, but he completes one run. With this single, the score moves to 16 for the loss of 1. WKCC, if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, they need early wickets here because they give only the target of 122. KP Riders. Adil Bashir again to the batsman Uwais. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for Uwais. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किया अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम, KP Riders के नाम. The score moves to 22 for the loss of 1. This is great hit by the batsman Uwais. This is end of 2 hours. The score is 22 for the loss of 1. This is beautiful shot played by the batsman Uwais. After 2 hours, the score on board is 22 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर पे मजा ले और आनंद ले. This is the second inning of this match between WKCC versus KP Riders. First, WKCC they win the toss and they opted to bat first, but they give only 120 target for KP Riders. After 2 hours, the score for KP Riders is 22 and they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Farhan. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is was 6 for the batsman Uyes. छक्का लगने की वजह से बॉल गुम हुई। यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा मैच को दोबारा स्टार्ट करने में। This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukkar Tulba ground. Today the two teams are WKCC versus KP Riders. First WKCC, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 20 hours, they give the target of 120 runs to KP Riders. After 2 hours, the score for KP Riders is 22 and they lost 1 wicket. Mohammad Tawfiq, he take his first wicket in his first over. Great catch taken by the fielder at the end. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा लगता है बॉल को लाने में, क्योंकि 6 ओवर्स में नई ही गेंद डालनी पड़ती है। 6 ओवर्स के बाद अगर बॉल यहाँ पे गुम हो जाती है तो साइड बॉल चलती है, लेकिन थोड़ा समय लगेगा, उसके लिए आप से हम माजरत खा है। Muhammad Akib, welcome. Azhar Adil Bhatt, thank you Muhammad Akib Saab for joining us with this live broadcast, and also welcome for Azhar Adil Bhatt. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे और भी जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, घर बैठे आनंद ले इस मैच का। अगर हम बात करेंगे अंडर 19 T20 सुपर कप, उसकी बात करेंगे तो 2 टीमें जो फाइनल में पहुंची है वह है चुक्कर क्रिकेट क्लब एंड CSK Palhalan. CSK Palhalan is the team, they chased the target of 226 in only 18 hours. Very good knock played by the batsman Sami and Tausif and Danish. That was very good and interesting match yesterday, and they win the match. Now the final for under 19 T20 tournament will be played on Sunday, inshallah. That is a very interesting and decent and impressive tournament here at Chukkar Tulba ground, organized by Kamran Bhatt, Abdul Hamid and Mir Ubaid. Very good organization body of under 19 T20 tournament. The Sunday will be fun day, the Sunday will be final day, the Sunday will be super day at this venue, Chukkar Tulba ground, inshallah. The final between the two teams, Chukkar Cricket Club versus CSK Palhalan, inshallah. आप सभी से गुजारिश है उस संडे के दिन आप यहाँ ज़रूर तशरीफ़ लाए इस ग्राउंड पे, इस मुकाबले को देखने के लिए आप ज़रूर यहाँ पे तशरीफ़ लाए उस दिन, संडे के दिन इंशाल्लाह। बिग मैच, big final of under 19 T20 tournament will be played on Sunday. The big two teams, CSK Palhalan versus Chukkar Cricket Club on Sunday, inshallah. This is Mohammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Mudassir. He is on strike. King T20 Super Cup 19 great finale on Sunday. Chukkar Riders versus CSK Palhalan. This is Mohammad Tawfiq to the batsman. Oh, this is great delivery by Mohammad Tawfiq. No run score remains on 22 for the loss of 1. Mohammad Akib Azhar is watching from Dubai. Thank you, Mohammad Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast from Dubai. Mohammad Abig King, also thanks to you, King Saab. This is again Muhammad Tawfiq. Mudassir plays a shot here. This is a 4 for Mudassir, 4 for KP Riders. The score moves to 26 for the loss of 1. This is great shot played by the batsman Mudassir. This is 4 for Mudassir, 4 for KP Riders. Muhammad Aqib, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast to 47 Tiger here. Thank you Aqib Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a T20 Super Cup 3rd edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today WKCC versus KP Riders. This is again Muhammad Tawfiq to the batsman Mudassir. He's on 11 runs. Now 94 runs to win this match. This is a chance here, but it is no man's land. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 27 for the loss of 1. This is 3rd over of this second inning. Muhammad Tawfiq again on his bowling mark to the batsman Uwais. He's on strike, he's on 7 runs. Oh, very good delivery by Muhammad Tawfiq. The batsman Uwais wants to hit this ball but missed the shot. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Uwais. No run score remains on 26 for the loss of 1. This is Muhammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Uwais. Oh, here is a chance of a catch, but at the end this is missed by the fielder. There was a chance of a catch, but well try by the fielder. No run score remains on 27 for the loss of 1. This is Muhammad Tawfiq. He is on his 2nd over, and this is last delivery of this 3rd over. Uwais, he is on strike. This is again Muhammad Tawfiq to the batsman Uwais. He's on strike. He's on 7 runs. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman. This is a 4 for Uwais, 4 for KP Riders. Beautiful shot played by the batsman Uwais. With this score, the score moves to 31 for the loss of 1 after 3 hours. Yet to bat सोहेल खान. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस बड़े मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का, अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, इस का आनंद ले. So Sajad Nag, he's on strike, he's on his bowling mark, sorry, to the batsman Mudassir. Mudassir, he is on 12 runs. Oh, this is great delivery by Sajad Nag. No run score, remains on 31 for the loss of 1. This is 4th over of the second inning. This is again Sajad Nag. This is a good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder. No run score remains on 31 for the loss of 1. This is great fielding at the end by the fielder. This is Sajad Nag again on his first over to the batsman Mudassir. This is another good delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler Sajad Nag. This is top delivery. Sajad Nag again. Here was the chance of a catch, but this is a no man's land. This is top delivery. No run score remains on 31 for the loss of 1. This is a great bowling by Sajad Nag. Here was some kind of trauma. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए क्या इस को हम आउट दे सकते हैं या नहीं दे सकते. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. इस ड्रामा हियर एट between the players and the batsman. He is not happy, Mudassir. He lost his wicket in the way of dramatic, but he is not happy, the batsman Mudassir. So this is the end of the batsman Mudassir. He moves on 12. This is second wicket for KP Riders. In dramatic way here. आप comment section में जरूर लिखिए. This is the right way of decision given out. You will put your positive comments in comment section. Now 89 runs to win this match in 97 deliveries, and they have 8 wickets in hand. Muhammad Aqib, Lone Rizwan. Hi, thank you Lone Rizwan Saab for joining us with this live broadcast, and keep share this live broadcast with your friends also. Sayu Kashmir, this is out pro. Thank you Saeed Kashmir Saab for your positive comment. This is out. Thank you. आप comment section में जरूर लिखिए, is he out or not? But this is Sayu Kashmir. He tells he is out. Thank you Sayu Kashmir Saab for your positive comment, and this is a good decision given by the umpire at the end. Very good decision by the umpire at the end. So this is a second wicket for KP Riders. Sajad Naq, he's again on his bowling mark. He's on his last delivery to the new batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on strike. The new batsman, young and talented and energetic batsman for KP Riders. He also bowls very well here. Takes 3 wickets for his team today. Now he's on strike. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire, and this is a message by the wicket keeper. Is wide and 5 is 4. The score moves to 36 for the loss of 2. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is Sajad Naq again. This is Cat Theory. Then this is message by the wicket keeper. Message by third. This is 4 for KP Riders. The score moves to 40, and Muhammad Azim, he opens his account with this 4. This is end of 4 hours. The score on board is 40 for the loss of 2. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी जो जुड़ने वाले हैं वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ जाए और इस मैच का घर बैठे वो आनंद ले, मजा ले इस मैच का. दिस इज WKCC versus KP Riders today match. WKCC they gave the target of 120 to KP Riders after 4 hours. The score for KP Riders on board is 40 for the loss of 2. Now they need only 80 runs to win this match in 96 deliveries. This is again Sajad Naq to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Uyes. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 41 for the loss of 2. Here are the two batsmen, Uyes and Muhammad Azim. They need to be cool and calm because they have low total to win this match. They have 79 runs only in 95 deliveries. Great shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is 4 for Muhammad Azim, 4 for KP Riders. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था इस बल्लेबाज के बारे में Muhammad Azim. He is very young and talented and energetic batsman for KP Riders. Yesterday he plays here at this ground very well, knocked off 52 runs. But unfortunately they lost that match yesterday against Al Hilal. This is again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Here the batsman Uyes wants the single, but at the end very good fielding. No run score remains on 45 for the loss of 2. Oh, Lone Rizwan T20 Super Cup great finale. Thank you Lone Rizwan Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast also, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel. This is Muhammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is missed by wicketkeeper and also missed by third. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. Very good running between the wickets, between the two batsmen Azim and Yes. This is good running between wickets. The score moves to 47 for the loss of 2. Now Muhammad Azim again on his strike. Muhammad Tawfiq on his bowling mark. To the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, this is great delivery and very good shot played by the batsman. And this is 4 for Muhammad Azim, 4 for KP Riders. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा मोहम्मद आजिम के पल्ले से 4 रन जोड़े अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम, केपी राइडर्स के नाम. The score moves to 51 for the loss of 2. This is 50 up for KP Riders. Now they need only 69 runs to win this match in 91 deliveries. This is low total given by WKC at this ground. 120 runs is the total target for KP Riders. Muhammad Azim, he's on strike, he's on 12. Muhammad Tawfiq again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, this is great delivery by Muhammad Tawfiq. No run score, remains on 51 for the loss of 2. This is end of 5 hours. Sorry. This is very interesting match between the two teams, KP Riders versus WKCC. Now Sajad Nag, he's again on his bowling mark. He's on his second over to the batsman Uyes. Sajad Nag to the batsman Uyes. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे बीट हुए Uyes, मारना चाहते थे. This is very great delivery by Sajad Nag. Ex Aji, assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam Aji Saab, and also thanks to you. This is another good delivery, and this is missed by wicketkeeper, missed by third. This is 22 for KP Riders. आपका शुक्रिया आजी साहब इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. 65 runs to need to win this match in 88 deliveries for KP Riders, and they have 8 wickets in hand. This is again Sajad Nag to the batsman Uyes. Oh, this is great delivery. At the end, the two batsmen take a single. Very good running between the wickets, between the two players, Uyes and Muhammad Azim. The score moves to 56 for the loss of 2. This is the 6th over of the second inning between the two teams. Sajad Nag again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on 12. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good delivery by Sajad Nag. Here was the appeal, but cannot impress the umpire. This is great bowling by Sajad Nag. No run score, remains on 56 for the loss of 2. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ. दिस इज अगेन सजाद. दिस इज ग्रेट शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का आजिम के बल्ले से 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम मोहम्मद आजिम ने. दिस इज 6 फॉर Muhammad Azim, 6 for KP Riders. The partnership moves on 31. The total score on board is 62 for the loss of 2. This is 6th over of this second inning. This player Muhammad Azim, he is a very young and talented cricketer. He also plays with under 19 team. Yesterday he plays very well, knock off 52 runs here against CSK Palawan, but unfortunately they lost that match yesterday. This is again Sajad Nag. This is great comeback by Sajad Nag. Beat the batsman Muhammad Azim. No run score, remains on 62 for the loss of 2. So this is end of 6 hours. Now Adil Bashir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Uyes. He's on strike. He's on 13. Irfan Ahmed Mar War KP Khindarpura right. Thank you Irfan Ahmed War Sahab for this positive commit. This is Adil Bashir to the batsman Uyes. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman, and this is huge six. This is a beautiful shot played by the batsman Uyes. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम. This is great hit played by the batsman Uyes. With the 6, the score moves to 68 for the loss of 2. This is again Adil Bashir to the batsman Uyes. He's on 19. Again wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Adil Bashir. Very good comeback by the bowler Adil Bashir. No run score, remains on 68 for the loss of 2. Now they need only this is again Adil Bashir to the batsman Uyes. Oh, this is again good shot, beautiful shot played by the batsman Uyes. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम Uyes ने. Uyes के बल्ले से और एक छक्का. This is 6 for Uyes, 6 for KP Riders. The score moves to 74 runs for the loss of 2. This is great hit by the batsman Uyes. 2 sixes in this over by the batsman Uyes. This is again Adil Bashir. He's very expensive. 2 sixes in this over to the batsman. Oh, another shot played by the batsman, but here's the chance of a wicket. And the fielder missed this catch, and this is 4 for Uyes, 4 for KP Riders. Here was the chance of a wicket. The score moves to 78 for the loss of 2. Uyes, he is on 29 in 14 deliveries. 42 runs to win this match in 80 deliveries. This is a low total given by WKCC. Again the batsman Uyes wants to hit this ball, but very good delivery by Adil Bashir. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीच गए यहाँ पे batsman Uyes. This is the 7th over of this second inning. This is again Adil Bashir to the batsman Uyes. Oh, this is a good delivery at the end. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 79 for the loss of 2 after 7 overs. This is great start by KP Riders. Uyes, he's on 30. Mohammad Azim, he's on 18. Mudassir, he lost his wicket in a dramatic way. He make only 12 runs. "41 runs to win this match in 78 deliveries, and they have 8 wickets in hand." इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मैच का, अहम मुकाबले का मजा ले घर बैठे. This is the bowler on bowling mark to the batsman Uyes. Again wants to hit this ball, but he missed the shot. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीछे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज Uyes. The score remains on 79 for the loss of 2. This is Masroor Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Uyes. Oh, this is 4 for the batsman Uyes and 4 for KP Riders. The score moves to 83 for the loss of 2. The partnership is on 52 in 21 deliveries. This is a great partnership between the two, Mohammad Azim and Uyes. This is again Masroor to the batsman Uyes. Again plays a shot here at the end. Very good fielding by Mohammad Tawfiq. The 2 batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 84 for the loss of 2. Sorry, 83 for the loss of 2. 37 runs to win this match in 76. Mohammad Azim. Here Mohammad Azim plays a beautiful shot for 4. This is 4 for Mohammad Azim and 4 for KP Riders. स्कोर तेजी से बढ़ता हुआ KP Riders के खाते में. The score moves to 87. Masroor Dar again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mohammad Azim. Oh, very good delivery by Masroor Dar. Very good delivery. Here extra runs for KP Riders. The two batsmen take 2 runs. Very good running between the wickets by the two batsmen Muhammad Azim and Uwais. This is again Masroor Dar to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, this is full toss delivery here, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder. No runs score remains on 87 for the loss of 2. After 8 overs, 90 on board, and they lost only 2 wickets. Yes, he's on 35. Muhammad Azim, he's on 22. Now 30 runs only to win this match. This is very low total given by WKCC to KP Riders on this pitch. This is a very important and interesting match between the two teams. WKCC 90. 2 runs in this time. यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में आप बने रहे। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि और भी दोस्त इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ जाए। And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is 7.5 overs. The score on board is 90 for the loss of 2. Now they need only 30 runs to win this match.
क्या कर रहा है?
Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Uwais, and this is 6 for Uwais. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम Uwais ने और अपने टीम के नाम KP Riders. The score moves to 96 for the loss of 2. Now 24 runs to win this match. This is very good bowling by the bowlers of KP Riders, and this is a very good batting by the batsman Uwais and Muhammad Azim, and also the batsman Mudassir. He lost his wicket in dramatic way here. Uwais, he's on 41. Can he complete his 50? He's on 41 runs in 20 deliveries. Now 24 runs to win this match, and Uwais, he need 9 runs to complete his 50. This is again Ejaz Wani. Oh, this is a white delivery given by the umpire. Now here is misfilled by the bowler. The two batsmen take a single in the shape of extra. Again, Ijaz Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on 23 runs to win this match in 70 deliveries. This is a very low total target given by WKCC to KP. This is again Ijaz. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for the batsman Muhammad Azim and 4 for KP Riders. The score moves to 97 for the loss of 2. This is great shot, beautiful shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. He is a very young, talented and energetic batsman of KP Riders, Muhammad Azim. He moves on 26 in 13 deliveries. Again Ijaz Wani to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, this is a good delivery. The batsman Muhammad Azim wants to hit this ball, but he missed this shot. This is great delivery by Muhammad Ijaz Wani. No runs to score, remains on 101 for the loss of. Oh, this is great shot at the end. This was the catch, but the captain Adil Bashir, he missed this catch at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 102. Now 18 runs to win this match, and Uwais, he need 9 runs to complete his 50. And this is a 4 for Uwais, and Uwais, he moves on 45. He need 5 runs to complete his 50. This is great shot played by the batsman. "45 runs for Uwais." Adil Baba, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Uwais Muhammad Azim Sari. Uwais wants to take a single, but Muhammad Azim is again on strike. Adil Baba to the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is shot for Muhammad Azim, and the two batsmen here was misfielding by Muhammad Tawfiq, and this is 4 for Muhammad Azim and 4 for KP Riders. The score moves to 110 for the loss of 2. Can Uwais complete his 50? 14 runs to win this match, and Uwais needs 5 runs to complete his 50. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. Oh, Ganesh. Very good shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is 6 for Muhammad Azim and 6 for KP Riders. The score moves to 116 for the loss of 2. This is a great cricket play today here at this Tulba ground by KP Riders with bowling and with bat. And this is a 4. This is win for KP Riders, and a win for KP Riders is KP Riders win this match, and a very well luck by Muhammad Azim and Uwais. So this is the end of this match. KP Riders win this match with 8 wickets. This was a very low total given by WKC to KP Riders, but in KP Riders win this match. So this is Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.